Guys, that everything they have positive sides and negative sides. Like every coin has two sides. Everything they have pros and cons. In the same manner, movies have both sides, positive sides and negative sides. It depends on you. It depends on the watcher. How which kinds of movie you like to watch. What is your message? What is your message for youth and for youngsters and for movie makers? And including this, I want to ask you, which is your favorite movie and your favorite hero and heroine? You just share also these feelings.
Movies are made only for entertaining purpose, but in after spending more time, movies are getting bad. And it's I think just stop these vulgarities. And but movies are not, because the youngster do which they see from the movie, and it gives a great impact, because even the kids and small, they see their favorite actor and he is doing or drinking or smoking, so he thinks that he is doing this, and so I will also do this, because he thinks that it's a style. My favorite movies are many, but I can tell actor Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan and Tiger Shroff.
Want to tell you my favorite movie. About my favorite movie is that Three Idiot. In Three Idiot movies, you know very well कि like in Three movies, the biggest message of the Three Idiot movie कि like we should do whatever we want, not our parents want. So it is the biggest message. And I just mentioned that कि like in movie that they're showing their vulgarities in the people should not watch, but in it is the we can get awareness about that kinds of things if we are watching. Like suppose just like some in the movie, like the hero and heroine or any other villain, they are he's just doing crime, and after crime he has to repent, because so in real life also we can aware कि doing this situation it's a real life also happening with us, so we can get awareness. So it's depend upon us कि what we are just taking, how we are just watching the movie. We should watch movie only for refreshment, or in like enjoyment, refreshment. Like we sometimes we just get bored. On that time we go to cinema with our friends and family, and family's movie at present time. I think not family movies are coming at present time. So I think we should go our friends, or for only for purpose is that for refreshment ourselves. Not go for like if you are just getting it's a good thing from the movies, so you should grab and just apply in your like lots of motivational movies are coming in time to time. Patriotism movie, motivation movies, comedies movies are good source of the refreshment our body and our mind also.
When the sir was speaking, so sir said one thing. The producers and directors are making the movies to earn money. So guys, I would like to say that it is totally up to us. If they use the vulgarity, they use the abusive words, let them use. Don't watch all those all those things, all those movies. So please watch only those movies from which you can learn something, you can adopt something, which you can utilize, which you can use in your daily life. And these are the movies, these are the great ideas to do something productive in our future, because the time is coming, and I would like to say that the movies are the backbone of economy. They just help our economy to grow faster, because where so much money has to be invested in movies. So yeah, it takes too much money to make up one movie. So guys, I would like to say, please watch only those movies from which you really get something. You have to watch the movies from learning purpose. And as far as the movie is concerned, which I like, so as you know that I'm a defense aspirant, I want to be a part of the Indian Army. So basically I would like to watch only those movies which are made on the battles, which are made on the Indian armies. As an example, Uri, Paltan, Border, LOC, Kargil. So these are the movies I really like to watch.
So according to me, the final conclusion is that we have to only watch those movies those gives us knowledge, inspiration, motivation, etc. And I wanna give message to directors that they have to first of all they have to change their own mentality, that if they want to do something for country, so they can make positive movies. For example, Akshay Kumar is doing very good for our countries. Some movies are very good, and if if some people are getting distracted from watching after watching movies. So for that I wanna say only one thing, that you can substitute watching movies to playing sports. You can play sports for reduce your stress, reduce your anxiety, and you can get motivated. Your fitness will be also improved by playing sports.
The biggest purpose of making movies is entertainment and refreshment. There are different kinds of movies. Some movies are emotional, romantic, suspense, patriotic. There are comedy movie and horror movie also. What kinds of movie you like most, guys? And you just like your comments. And what is your personal opinion about movies? What are the positive sides and negative sides according to you?
So lots of negative sides of the movie, like sir just told like us ki lot of vulgarity is just shown these movie at present time. Lots of like web series are coming. I'm not just telling the all web series are coming based on vulgarity, but some web series are depends on vulgarity. The people are easily attracted by them because people they have interest to watch them. So that's why producer also just make some twist to success their movie. They add that kinds of part of to show in the movie, and the people just attracted for their earning. And all this movie just before the release, the movie go to censor board, and censor board also just I want to just suggest that like a censor board should not allow these kinds of scene, like lots of crime also just happening in this movie. So lots of people they do like whatever they shown in the movie, and they do crime also, because it is the they get the way how can we do crime. They find the easily. And children also they don't know ki what is right and wrong, what is the profit. Also what we are just fruitful as we should observe that thing. We should not use like a negative things.
Sir has said that the people get attracted towards bad thing soon. So yeah, this is the problem with our mentality. Whatever wrong we find, we adopt it as soon as faster. So this is the it is our mentality. But as I said earlier that whenever we are getting something from a learning purpose, or whenever we get something good, so we don't focus on that thing. We always try to do something, we have that kind of mentality. We always try to get the ideas which have negative impact. As the sir said, the crime is increasing. Why crime is increasing? It is increasing because of the movies. The ideas are being shared with us, how to do this or that crime, how to rob a bank, how to murder, which weapon we have to use while doing crime. So these are the things we learn from the movies. But as I said, as the sir also said, whenever we are taught good things, so we will not focus on that thing. But whenever at the same time if a negative idea is shared with us, we will definitely, at least we will think about that thing at once. So yeah, it is totally up to us how we take the movies. When we watch the movies from learning point of view, when we are ready to take the positive sides of the movie, we should definitely watch.
So movies have a lot of negative points that both he had already told about that. So I want to tell you only one thing, that is we have to gather only positive things from movies.
Today in this video, we are about to discuss on movies. Movies are good and bad for society and youth. Today in this video, with my students, we all will discuss on this topic, the bad and good impact of movies on society and youth. What is your opinion? As you all know that many movies are very inspirational and motivational, but out of them some movies are based on vulgarity. Guys, that there are a lot of movies we can't watch those movies with our family members. I'm about to ask these questions. Yeah, Dhananjay, what is your opinion on movies? Are movies good or bad for society and youth? What is your opinion? Yes, Dhananjay.
Hi guys, I am Dhananjay Vyas and I am pursuing 9th class. In my opinion, movies are good and bad both. We should watch good movies which are motivational and historical and gives education, but not bad movies, because it creates a great impact in our society. And some movies like Bhag Milkha Bhag, Mary Kom, and life-based stories and historical, many movies are made like Kesari, A very great movie.
Very good, Dhananjay. And you have told that there are a lot of movies. They are very, very motivational and inspirational. As you told that Bhag Milkha Bhag, in this movie, the biography of Milkha Singh, we can learn a lot of lessons from Milkha Singh that we never lose our heart. These movies are very inspirational for youth and society. Okay, now Manoj sir.
Hi guys, myself Manoj Prajapati. I am just here to discuss with the jury topic is movies good or bad for at present time. So I want to just tell you positive effect of the movie, because lots of movies they impact us positive aspect, like lots of movies just I told the name Bhag Milkha Bhag and Mary Kom. Like Mary Kom movie just produce the lead the girls and encourage them to participate in the sports, because as a mentality of the many Indian people, the girls not allowed to play sports and not allowed to go high study. So by these movies they impact the girls, is they increase their sports level, and their parents also allow them to do something like lots of movies are real ways to do the real biographical movie and real historical movie, but it's depend on watchers. Like at present a youngster, they don't understand that real life and real life both are different. In real life only just showing the like some historical moment, and the producer also just some add some personal aspect to only success for the movie. It is not good. Like a movie name is Padmavat movie. In Padmavat movie it's a totally different, like history is different about Padmini, but he is just showing something like something different. This is not related to reality, so it's not good. And people at present the youngster, you know what, youngster totally just impacted by the all the movies. And in present time movies are coming totally vulgarity, based on vulgarity, and people easily attracted by the negative sides. Because lots of positive sides, negative sides, both sides. But the youngster is the future of the India, future of the world, future of the country. They easily like attracted by the negative side. Like lots of movie, like in the movie they act by the hero like drinking, alcohol, and fighting, violence, even more violence.
Like Kabir Singh.
Like Kabir Singh movie is a great example of the drinking alcohol. So people also like it's a very easy for them. Those people who just addicted to drink while by the watching inspired, they more they do their kinds of act. They can inspire very easily, because the movies are showing them path to do like that in this by according to me.
Well done, Manoj. I completely agree with you. It depends on the watcher how they like the movies and what kinds of movies they prefer to watch. Okay, now Ravindra. Movies are the mirror of the society, you know, guys. But you know that movies, they have both positive sides and negative sides. What is your personal opinion on movies?
First of all, I would like to say hi to the viewers, and as the sir said, I would like to add a few things to whatever the sir said. So as the sir said, it is totally up to us, what we take, what we watch in movie. It is totally up to us what kind of movie we are gonna watch. As an example, sir also given us so many examples of movies. Like Dangal, Bhag Milkha Bhag. So when we watch those kinds of movies, so we really get inspired by watching those movies. We really want to do something for our country. After watching those movies, we really get something. We really learn something from those movies.
We can learn a lot of message.
But the viewers, what is the wrong thing behind with us? We take the negative thing very fast. And whatever negative thing is being shown in a movie, so we definitely learn it faster. Yeah, but when it comes to learning something positive, so we don't focus on that thing. But it is totally up to us. As the sir said, lots of vulgarities being shown, in the movies. So even the language, we cannot watch the movies with our family members. Even the language which they use is not appropriate. They use the abusive words, so which is not appropriate. It is not for the civilized society. What kind of knowledge, what kind of education they wanna give their children. When they think that when they take their children to a cinema hall. So where if they take their children to to watch or to show an inspirational movie, so their children they will get inspired and they will try to do something better in their life. They will try to do something productive with their time. So sir, I would say that it is totally up to us how we take the movie. When we watch a movie from learning point of view, so then it is always good. There are so many things which we can learn by watching movies. At the same time, there are so many negative things which we should avoid adopting.
You have a great idea about movies. Okay, now the question with Kapil Chaudhary. Yeah, Kapil, what is your personal opinion on movies? What do you think about movies?
Hello beautiful people, my name is Kapil Chaudhary. So my opinion on movies is that movies have both positive sides and negative sides. So when we talk about positive sides, so movies inspire us, give us motivation and gives us knowledge. But when we talk about negative points, so inspiration can also be negative. For example, if I am a runner of 800 meter race, and when I saw Bhagmil Ka Bhag, so I can decide that I will run in 200 meter and 400 meter. So this will lead to a negative. And when we talk about knowledge, so we can I know that we are getting knowledge from movies, but we can also get knowledge from online sources that are very helpful and they are very productive, because in less time we can get more knowledge. I think that especially for some especially for all the youngsters, they are very very courage to watch movies. So they can watch movies, but only those movies that give us a real motive, and they help them to do something for our country, do something for his own, do something for his parents.
Why people go to cinema? They go to cinema for their entertainment. While entertainment, they can absorb the knowledge. What we are just developed from the movies depend upon us. It depend on us. Like in movies, are both things like a positive and negative. Every movie has both sides, positive and negative. So it depend on us. Like what we are just from which part we are just taking, which part is very useful for us. So movie is not especially for the like a motivation. We can get motivation outside also. But by movies not means by movies only we can get motivation. By movies is relieve our stress, and movies and music both are relieve our stress and tension. So we go to cinema. There are 90% people that go to cinema for their reason.
Yeah, I would add one more thing. As the sir said, we have so much pressure of society. We have pressure related to our family, related to our job. So the people actually want to get rid of that pressure for some time. So that's why they decide to watch the movies. They just plan to go to cinema with their family members, so that they can spend quality of time with their family members, as well as they can get rid of that pressure which they have from the society, as well as from outside. As an example, many of the people have the pressure of their jobs. So they just every day they just go to office and do their work. So they really want to. When they do all these things for a long time, so their life becomes monotonous, I would say. Yeah, it is a very tedious. So, but when they watch the movie, so they get fresh, they get fresh again to do, and they just they utilize the time faster, and they just do the things in a proper way. When they watch the movie, after watching the movie, so yes, sir, it is they get the energy after watching the movies.
I like your opinion that Indian people they watch movie to reduce their tension. A lot of people they face a lot of stress also, and to entertainment also. That movies, there are a lot of comedy movies like Tera Fairy. These movies are just relax our body, and we just get rid of our stress also. Okay guys, my next question is that if I tell about negative side of the movies, there are a lot of negative sides of the movies. Like in movies, there is a lot of vulgarity and love affairs, and that love affairs are going on. Even the children, they just, as you told, that a lot of children they take a negative parts from the movie very soon. Love affairs are going on. Even I tell that in college scene is total. It's not a real best. In college, like a lot of movies in the college, they drinking and like smoking and flirt the girl, these things are going on. If I tell about negative sides, abuse language also. Presently, the web series are going on. All the web series, they use the abuse language. What the impact on the children, on the kids? Like children, they can learn abuse language. What is the responsibility of the parents? And what are the negative sides of the movie? Yeah, one by one, you just tell your opinion.
I want to say on negative sides that the director should not make these things because it gives a bad impact to our youngsters who are watching these movies. And it's not real, it's totally fake. Not
Fantasy.
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 It doesn't happen in real life. And the parents also should know that we are going to watch movies motivational and learning based, but not these. I think these web series and which have abusive language. I am not saying that all the web series are bad, but I also watch a web series like Scam 1992.
Yeah.
It is a very good movie, but some of the scenes are abusive. So I want why abusive? It's a good movie, so why these are making things bad?
What kinds of movie you like most, guys? And you just like your comments. And what is your personal opinion about movies? What are the positive sides and negative sides according to you? And send me your comments. Subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon. Next video is coming soon. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.